Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mode, a new video for my YouTube channel. And today guys, I'll show you how to remove front bumper on a 2020 Dodge Charger. This particular model is a S60 model, 3.6 V6. Has a lot of options, which is really nice, but I'm pretty sure you can use this video to work on any others, Hemi, scat packs and stuff like that. It's a little bit different, but the bumper cover is the same. um, I mean, the process to remove the bumper cover is the same, but the bumpers look different on like Hellcat or scat pack. We all know that. So saying right away, I'm gonna do a whole process from A to Z. Show you each screw, each clip that has to be removed to remove this from bumper cover. And also this guys, bumper cover removal video, it's applying on 2015 up to 2023 Dodge Charger, any trim or models. So let's go ahead and start the work. Alright, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna go pop the hood. Alright, we got this. Alright guys, so here first what we do is we are going to remove this upper bumper cover. And in order to be removed, we need to get all these clips out, as you see all the way there, here. And we're gonna use a clip removal. Yeah, and this one comes out also easy too, like that. When you put it back, it's like this, so it just pops out. So yeah, let's go ahead and remove this clips. Just put this like that, and the clip comes out easily. And repeat this process on each clip until we remove all the clips out. All right, so first step is done. We removed all the clips. Now everything is free to go. So this is done. Next step is going to be to remove the fender liner. You don't have to remove the whole fender liner. What you have to do is you gotta just remove the clips and screws on this side, which is attached to the bumper, because we need to make some space just to remove this screw that holds basically the bumper on the bumper bracket. So that's what I'm saying. You have one bolt here and then you have another bolt here. So yeah, that's for later, but now we're gonna take both sides, the clips and screws out. And yeah, we're gonna use the same clip removal as on the upper bumper cover. Same process as you see guys, easy going. Repeat on each clip, just like that. So as you see, I got even here this clip out too, and we got plenty of space just to remove this screw. It's a 10 millimeter right here, 10 millimeter screw. And I want to also let you know something guys. This car been an accident, and as you see here, these people they fixed it not really properly nice. And yeah, I don't know if I have to remove this screw, but particular this model is supposed to have a screw here, and I don't know which size is it. I believe this is 10 millimeter, and I have another one here, 10 millimeter. The original might have a little bit different, it might differ, so make sure you know what I'm trying to explain you here. Is definitely this place you gotta remove the screw, and you have another one here. And same story on the driver's side. On the driver's side, how this is it goes, all this bolts out. So first you have to remove this one right here on top, right in front of you, this fender. We are on the driver's side, and here you can see much better because I had to remove fender liner, so I removed it, half of it, as you see right there, it's half removed. So as you see here guys, we remove this bolt, right, and there's one more right here, 10 millimeter. So after these two and that one in the front, you're definitely gonna be able to remove the bumper easily. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go ahead and remove this 10mm bolt right there. Yep, right there. Yep, just like that. Easy and safe without damaging anything. Alright guys, so I'm about to remove the bumper, but on a normal undamaged car, right, with no accidents, you will definitely have a lower bumper cover. And sometimes the bumper cover, the lower side, it's attached to the radiator support or to the frame, the subframe. So you want to make sure you remove those 8mm screws in order to remove the whole bumper assembly. All right, so as you see guys right here, it's gonna go ahead and take the whole bumper out. As you see guys, just like that, easy, bumper comes out. All right, and last thing that I was about to let you know guys, this clip right here, this one is damaged too. I didn't know, big time damage. But the mark lights, as you see here, and it's weird, they did install brand new ones, but they did not fix the wire. So yeah guys, right here there's a clip connector that you just have to press on this thing in order to remove the connector. Same here. Where is that connector? Oh, it's right there. Oh, this one is much better condition. So yeah guys, as you see here, you gotta press on this part of it and it's coming out. So yeah, this is the whole process. See here, 1, 2, and then 3 bolts, upper cover. There's going to be a lower cover in your car. Another thing here on the right side, 1, 2, and then 3. Same process guys, same thing. Mark lights, and here another mark light, and your bumper should come out easily. Here is the car without the front bumper. That's how it looks. You're supposed to have same thing here. The cover is missing on this side, right? That was a quick video how to remove the bumper on 2020 Dodge Charger. Pretty bad that the car has had an accident, but it shouldn't be different on your Charger. If this video helped you, then don't forget to leave a comment below, a thumbs up, and that was Mechanic Mo. See you next time.